what's inside the box. It has this one with its pump. Where's the pump?
With the pump, it got a pump when you.
And it has a bag. It's a bag.
Baby.
It has 2 paddles.
Yeah. And these 2 paddles looks heavier than it look like.
Okay, and then it has 2 seats. Where are the seats?
These are the seat belts.
Oh, it has seat belts.
And why would anything have a seat belt?
And that's
You
the
also
pump. It
have-
has a pump.
And also why you gotta pump this
Oh, you're gonna pump the seats.
and pump everything there.
Yep, and then this is the box. It's a big box, Josh. And there it is. How long did it take you to pump it? Josh?
I think it was 1 hour. I think it was 30 minutes plus Papa is 1 hour.
1 hour? Is that long? I don't think so. Maybe it's a quick one. So we're gonna test it for tonight and see. Check on it tomorrow.
It's just Josh.
This is a cool one because these people already tested it. And it's yellow. My least favorite color. Why is it yellow?
Oh, you don't like yellow?
Mhm.
Okay. You say bye. Josh, say bye.
Bye.